Hello, hello. Thank you for stopping by and watching as I customize a plain floor mat. The first thing I do is I grab my lint roller, which I've already done off camera. I always lint roll any item I'm going to press. I lint roll before I place it on the heat press, and then I lint roll it again once I put it on the heat press. I'm grabbing a couple of sheets of butcher paper or parchment paper, laying it across the floor mat. I'm covering the rubber sections, and this I did off camera as well. I heated this in the different sections that I plan to press. I heated for 10 seconds for a pre-press at 410 degrees in order to remove as much of the moisture as possible prior to pressing the actual print onto the mat. So next I'm going to grab my printout that I printed on 13 by 19 paper. I printed this using Cosmos ink. I'll leave a link below to all of this. This design was a request by a customer. I'm going to spray it over to the side with Dye Strands Pro Spray that I purchased from Condi. It's a great adhesive that helps to keep the items from shifting around once you lay them down prior to pressing. I folded my printout in half in order to find the middle section, and I'm going to lay it down as evenly as possible across this floor mat. Does not have to be perfect, but even is good. Gonna try to check the letters to make sure that I don't place them up against the rubber portion of the mat. Looks good. So I'm grabbing those 2 clean sheets of butcher paper to cover again the rubber on the mat before heating, and to cover my printout. Printout is laying face down on the mat. I'm going to press this with this Heat Press Nation swing away heat press for 410 degrees for 70 seconds. 410 degrees at 70 seconds. I have a press board that I got from Home Depot. Well, my husband got it. He had them to cut it in pieces so that I can move the items around on the press without actually touching them. I'll show you that in a minute also. This is the Dye Strands Pro Spray. I'll leave a link below for that. I use this so much that I need to purchase more. It's a great adhesive. Sometimes I staple these mats to the I staple the printout to the mat. Oh, I'm showing you here this this little shot glass with a cat on it because this customer loves cats and she loves that saying. I sublimated that printout onto that. It'll never wash off. I love those. Okay, time is about up here. I'm going to ease the heat press open here. And I'm going to use, see, I can see over here where I only pressed a portion, which this was purposely because I know that my mat is larger than my press. So I can see where I need to press more. So I'm moving it over using the press board that I have under my mat. Instead of pushing my mat around, I'm pushing the press board from side to side. And because I have the adhesive spray on there, my printout will not shift easily, which is very good. So I'm going to press this portion again. This next portion, not again, but now this next portion, I'm pressing for 410 degrees at 70 seconds. Again, it's a Heat Press Nation heat press. I'll leave a link below. Great customer service at this company. Here is a mouse pad. I like sets, so I made myself a set with a mouse pad, a cup, a water bottle, and also a coaster. And I designed those using my logo that I designed, and I pressed onto there. They're so easy to clean, these coasters also, and the printout is sublimated, therefore it won't wash off. There's my water bottle with an emoji on it and my logo. And I stay hydrated all day. And it's pretty while I'm doing it. Okay, time is up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Let's see what we have here. Slowly remove this because it's very hot. And do not snatch that up. You want to move it up slowly. Ah, that came out perfect. The customer wanted, "You better have tacos." Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye now.